Today's topic is OURRY Mini Personal Humidifier Reviews. OURRY is one of the most popular mini personal humidifiers on the market, and we've reviewed it to help you make the best decision for your needs. This small humidifier quickly and easily adds humidity to any room in your home and is easy to use. Just plug it in and wait for it to work its magic. OURRY Mini Personal Humidifier Reviews. Brand, OURRY. Color, white. Capacity, 500 milliliters. Runtime, 8 hours. Item weight, 2 ounces. Room type, bedroom. Material, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. Power source, 40 electric. Thanks for watching this video.